Hi everyone. As some of you may know, I just recovered from COVID-19 and I had a severe lung infection. Thanks to God, after suffering for almost 20 days, I am now finally back to normal. During my isolation period, I had time to think of many things: health, private life, business, and of course, you guys. Believe me, yes, you. I thought of many different ways to contribute to the community around me, and I decided to share my knowledge and help you grow your business with digital marketing. Now, for those who don't know me yet, my name is Walid and I'm an entrepreneur with 20 plus years in the field of telecommunication, security, IoT, and business growth. I'm also a certified Google Analytics expert. If you are interested to learn about the latest marketing strategies, tools, tips, tricks, and tactics, you may want to consider following the below social media links. Now, let me ask you a question, guys. Why do you think digital marketing is essential for businesses, especially for startups and online stores? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me tell you what is one of the most challenging but significantly most powerful aspects of running any kind of business. Well, it's digital marketing. And by the end of this video and the coming ones, you will have a better understanding of digital marketing from a real world experience and not only from theory. Now, let me tell you a few facts which might surprise you. Did you know that on average 3.5 billion searches are made every single day on Google? Over 2.7 billion monthly active users as of the biggest second quarter of 2020 are on Facebook. 1 billion active users are on Instagram. And by 2021, which is starting in a few weeks, over 2.14 billion people worldwide are expected to buy goods and services online. So let us now explain what digital marketing is. Well, in my opinion, digital marketing is marketing done digitally. In other words, the use of internet to reach consumers, or as we call them in the digital marketing world, audience. This is a vast field including attracting customers through email, content marketing, search platforms, social media, and many more. Digital marketing is an entirely different process than traditional marketing. This is a topic which I will discuss in one of the videos, since some might still need you to use the traditional marketing in many cases. Many businesses are now taking advantage of digital marketing and reducing the cost of marketing by advertising and getting known through social media, content or video marketing, email marketing, and SEO, which is search engine optimization. Traditional marketing had fallen almost 160% over the last year, while at the same time frame expenses for digital marketing had increased by over 14%. This clearly shows how digital marketing is on a magnificent rise, isn't it? What is great about digital marketing is that you can have access to a huge number of tools to measure and analyze your return of investment. One of the biggest tools available in the market is Google Analytics, where you can see who sees your advertisements, or who buys your products, or who clicks on your links, and your lead generations. My next videos will be about building a complete digital marketing strategy plan, which will be a step-by-step guide. And if you have any questions or anything you want to know related to this topic, please comment below, or you can even send me a private message, and I will really be glad to help you guys. Well, now that you have the first part of digital marketing covered, we can go to the next step in my next video. So don't forget to follow our pages, and I will link them in the below comments and make it easier for you guys to find us. Take care, stay safe, and see you in the next video.